Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Galaxy Station for a very special unboxing video. Yes, today is time for a classic Nokia 2660 flip button handset unboxing. Even though in 2023 you might think phone like this will become obsolete, but Nokia proved everyone wrong. In Bangladesh, the demand for this Nokia handset is huge. You can't imagine how crazy people are for this phone. Nokia released this 2660 flip handset back in 2022. This is the dual SIM Indian variant, and this phone has a 2.8-inch internal screen and 1.77-inch external screen, and obviously it has long lasting battery. Yes, there is a camera which is zero point 0.3 megapixel. Yes, 0.3. You heard it right, and I am also right. There is micro SD memory card slot, 3.5mm jack, and wireless FM radio. Enough. Now time to unbox this awesome button phone. Wow, the experience is nice. The phone feels like old times. This is the handset itself. Camera, flash, small screen, 3.5mm jack, and micro USB power input. And wow, this phone is big. The big button and very big display considering this is a button phone. Okay, the battery is removable. Let me try. Oh yeah, there is two SIM card slot and one memory card slot. Okay, what's in the package? Yes, the removable battery, then the charger with fixed cable. What is the wattage? Only 2.5 watt. This is 5 volt, 550 milliampere of output, only 2.5 watt. Okay, let's insert the battery into the phone. I can't remember the last time I got the chance to put the battery inside of a phone. Is it, I think, Samsung Galaxy Note 4 back in 2014, I guess. I bought Samsung Galaxy Note 4 back in 2014. Okay, now time to power on the handset. Yes, Nokia logo. Where this is the iconic Nokia sound. Okay, setup process. Okay, this is the phone. What about camera? E- Yes, it can capture image, also video. No comments. I am not going to check that. Nothing. This is the menu. Call history, contact gallery, internet. Oh, by the way, this button phone has 4G connectivity built inside. Yes, you heard me right. This phone has 4G internet capability. So, the internet app or Facebook app should be amazing. Video settings, music, system connectivity, time, language. The phone is not too heavy, but it's definitely big and thick. And if you want a reliable button phone with consistent long battery backup, then you might consider Nokia 2660 Flip as your secondary daily driver. Nokia will not disappoint you. I bought this phone from Sumash Tech, Bashundhara City for 7,000 taka. And if possible, I will review this handset later.